I just finished sewing up my Sabrina Slims. I have been dying for some olive green bottoms for summer. I made them in a soft ponte and they are my new secret pajamas. I shortened them for my height and then took an extra 4 inches off to create some capris. Of course, I used the pocket piece for the front. I love that full panel, and I added in the patch pockets on the back. These are incredibly comfy. Right now, I'm wearing the boyfriend cardigan, but I know I have more handmade tops in my closet that will work with these Sabrina Slims. So now we get to play the game. What do they go with? Let's try this Summer Basics tank with a jean jacket. That's cute. I will totally wear this to a casual dinner out with my family. How about something a little bit more professional? This is the Cadence top. I made it in a coral colored quilting cotton, and it's nice and fresh with a pop of color. I like balancing this very structured fabric with the soft Sabrina Slims. This Forte top is made with a linen look knit, and it's the perfect pink to pair with this olive color. I love the sleeves. Okay, this one is totally up my alley. The classic tee has got just the right fit for me. I will totally be wearing this the rest of the day. This Harmony blouse is one of my favorite makes from early sewing days, and these Sabrinas are perfect with it. I love the tulip sleeves on this top. Can you ever go wrong with a Rhapsody? This Rhapsody is one of my favorites, and it works so well with these Sabrinas. I hacked in that little split sleeve and the sleeve ties. So cute. Okay, I love this one. Aria button down in a Liberty lawn. So fancy. I will definitely be wearing this to some sewing events that we've got planned this year. Now this one will take me straight into fall. Here is the new Lincoln top in a fun French terry. Check out the side button placket. Now this look is absolutely my favorite in this collection. Ballad blouse, sleeveless, and of course tied at the waist. I need a picnic to go to stat. So now it's your turn. What are you going to wear your Sabrinas with?